Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Vlogmas day 21, 22 and 23. Yes, I'm combining this vlog guys. First up. Okay, first up, we had a very good 20 days of Vlogmas and then everything just went. I had so many things to do before Christmas. I primarily had so many videos that I needed to film for Christmas season, like branded content. I got caught up with that, and then I got caught up with spending time with my family. Okay, so what happened over the 21, 22, 21, 22, 23? My mother-in-law had actually come down. She came down I think on the Saturday. So she came down, and immediately in the night, because Ivan was also leaving for like a boys trip, like this annual boys thing that he does with his guy friends in Ipoh. So he was leaving to go to Ipoh. But what happened was, when my mother-in-law came, a very close relation, that means like a grandmother, passed away in Ivan's family. So we were trying to figure out logistics of how to get her back to Ipoh, because I was not traveling that time. Ivan's car that was going to go to Ipoh was full. We were all over the place trying to get her back, and because the train tickets were all sold out, finally got like that one last ticket or something like that. So that's why I was like all over the place. And then when Ivan left for his like boys thing, it was the one day in the entire month like I had like complete quietness, and I took the day off. Actually, yeah, I took the day off. I just vegged at home. I think I just cleaned. I watched so much of TV. I don't know why. I think it was just the month went by so quickly. There was so many things happening in the month. There were so many things happening behind the scenes that I cannot talk about, but the month just went by. So that's why I did not take much footage. But yeah, so we're back. So I owe you this vlog, and then there's a Christmas Eve vlog, and then there's Christmas Day vlog. I'll try to edit ASAP because I want to do a New Year vlog as well. So we'll see how it goes. For now, I'm going to start. We need to unbox the advent calendars, and then we jump into the video itself. With the whole holiday season, and we threw like parties and stuff, my room became like dumping ground. Can you see? Yep. My room literally became dumping ground. Like, cause we had I think 2 parties at home. Then my mom had a event for her colleagues. You know, so many things up and down, and my room basically became a place where we can just come and put everything. And then I kept all the presents here. So yeah, so we'll do benefit first. We got day 21. It's another mini little thingy. So we have this. It's a lip tint. Okay. I mean, these are all like super cute to travel with. Day 22. Okay, I like this. This is the Roller Lash Mascara. I love small mascaras. It's so easy to keep in the bag and to touch up. Even I'm planning for next year, like I want to do like a kit to keep in the car, like a vanity kit, like an emergency one, like in case I need to touch up, in case I need like some lip product, that I don't have to spend my money buying another lip product. So yeah, so all these can go into that. Okay, then we have day 23. Is a blush. But are you my shade? Guys, whose shade is this? Who is this white? I think like super pale people. Yes. It's coming off a bit more pinkish on camera, but in real life it looks like a nude. Okay, we go to Lancome. Lancome! I have been waiting to open the advent calendar with you. Like, I wanted to open it on my own, and I'm like, no, I cannot. I need to wait for my friends. Okay, so Lancome, we do 21. It's heavy. Oh, I think it's skincare. Hydrating toner. I've seen so many things, so many of these actually, that I really want to try. So 22. It's another skincare. A rehydrating comfort toner. So cute, right? Iji the perfume. I think so. I think it's a small adult. Guys, I think I can start like a mini perfume collection thing. So cute. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? The YSL box, I am going to keep the calendar just because I want to keep all my earrings and stuff inside. Okay, so it's an eye serum. Cute little eye serum. But the thing I've noticed with advent calendars, everything is quite mini. Is that a good thing? I don't know. I think advent calendars are more for the experience of opening something every day. Yeah. Ooh, what is this? It's heavy. This is day 22. It's a YSL mirror. You see, I like stuff like this. Like, I can keep it in like a card case or something like that. Also, it's so cute. I like props. And mascara, a mini mascara. I think we got this the other day. So, I'm going to keep this bag. Yeah. I'm definitely going to keep this calendar just to like put accessories inside, like my earrings and stuff. I think that would be super cute. Okay, so that's it for the advent calendar. Just try and ignore the mess behind me. I'm going to clean it up. But now let's get into Vlogmas Day 21, 22, and 23. Bye guys. Hi guys, it's actually 9 p.m. I'm actually getting ready to go for a girls' night out, like go makan-makan, you know, and chill. Shah is coming to fetch me. This is a new contact lens from Winnie Lens, but I feel I need to chuchi one side. Wait now. Okay, for earrings, should we do this? Is it too much? Oh, I think it's cute. Let's do this. This is from Lovisa actually. I bought this to wear in Phuket for our anniversary, but she never got around to using it. Ah, so cute! Okay, I'm not doing any makeup today, guys, because I'm just chilling. Yesterday, I think I'm still a bit tired from yesterday, so it's just nice to have like a very chill night out. Ivan has gone to Mystique, and there's also another like an Italian bar thingy opening today, so he's gone for that opening, and then perfume. I actually injured my leg, guys, so my leg is actually hurting. I'm just switching out the bags. Oh, this is my outfit though. It's been very long since I wore like long skirts. Hello guys, welcome back to Vlogmas Day 22. It's a Saturday today. Is it a Saturday? It is a Saturday. How are you? How is everybody doing? Catching up. What happened today? My mother-in-law is here. She actually arrived in the evening. My mom has gone to Malacca because my family has actually taken a trip. Like my Papa and all have taken like a small family vacation to Malacca. I couldn't go because Ivan is working. A bit sad that I had to miss it because if I go, then he has to handle like the dogs and all on his own, which marriage things. But yeah, they are in Malacca, and then they keep sending all the nicest pictures. Like they were by the beach today, lepaking, and I'm like, oh my gosh. And it's also Vlogmas, so I usually don't travel during Vlogmas because of internet connection, you know, in case I already slacked a little bit already with the upload schedule because of my sleepover, but that was my choice. And yeah, just one of those things. So I feel a bit sad that they are all enjoying without me, but it's okay. After this, we're gonna go for dinner with my mother-in-law, and then just gonna come back and just chill and see where the night takes us. Okay, now I actually want to start wrapping the Christmas presents. We have got a few presents already, and I thought we can just wrap them together. But first, I have a package. This one, oh no. Yeah. Okay, so first up, we have a new parcel from DM Fragrance, and we know DM Fragrance is perfume. I remember I picked out a couple of my scents a few months ago, so I have no idea what's in this box. Love getting packages from DM Fragrance because perfume is my thing. Apparently, a lot of things are my thing. Perfume being one of it. Oh my gosh. This is the cutest thing ever. Oh my gosh. Like, this is so Christmassy. I think I need to post an Instagram story for this. It does not get any more Christmassy than this. Like take a second. Okay, this is what it looks like inside. I think it's like the perfect holiday packaging. I love when sets come like this, and the brand actually takes so much effort to create limited edition packages just for like Christmas season. We have the Givenchy Irresistible. From experience, I know Givenchy fragrances actually last. Yeah, this smells. I have another Givenchy there. It's a Lindert. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but it memang does last. I bought that the day. I mean, I just repeated this on Instagram, but I'm sorry if I'm repeating. If you remember, there was one day, I think last year, we got to meet Madhavan, my friends and I. He came down for the premiere of Rocketry, and that day I told Kesh, like, I'm gonna go and get a perfume because every time I smell this perfume, I want to remember the day I met Madhavan, and I madly fell in love with him because he's so good looking. Yeah, so this smells like that, but that one I would say has a very deeper, a bit more sultry notes. This one smells very fresh, but no, very floral, very feminine and floral, but along the same lines, 100%. Now I'm gonna actually start wrapping the presents that we've got for our peoples. I also, after this, need to put a list of names of people that I need to buy for. I need to like the three main people that I've not bought for is my mother, my mother-in-law, and Ivan. I know I want to get my mother. My mother-in-law, I'm not too sure. Ivan also, I'm not too sure. Now, I don't think I can show you right what I'm packing because this vlog will go up before Christmas, and the people I'm packing for are going to watch this vlog. Yeah, I'll show you the end results down. Okay, so this was actually Sia got me this present, an additional present for hosting the sleepover. It's a velvet box, guys. So, if you remember one of the Vlogmases, we had like a girls, like we went for Makan, I, Kesh, Shah and Sia. We went into Steve Madden, and this set was in the corner, and I just looked at it and I said like, oh my god, that set is so cute because it's got a sling bag, it's got like a card wallet thing and a couple of straps so you can interchange the straps. And I cannot believe Sia noticed that and got me this. So let's open this up. But the box, I'm keeping the box 100%. Okay, so first up we have this strap. It's like the long Madden's very signature strap. And then we have this small little pouch. And the pouch has this thing. If we're going out today, guys, I'm going to take this because this is the cutest thing ever. All my friends knows I love small bags. I love small bags. And then you have this little cup thing. Isn't this a vibe? This is a vibe. I like this. Now I need to do my laundry. I have 1 week of laundry that needs to be washed. I just now want to do the laundry, then I realized the soap finished, so I've ordered it. Let me pick it up. Got it. I always use Daya. I feel Daya works very nicely actually. So let's get the washing machine started. And guys, I just realized, because I was taking all my dirty clothes, for 1 week, I've only used black. And then I like to mix in a little breeze. This was a trick one colleague of mine. Hello! This is a trick one colleague of mine shared with me when I was working in JB. She said, use powder detergent and mix it with liquid. It will clean the clothes better.
Oh.
Hello, you. Tomorrow he's got a voice stream.
Alamak.
Good guy. This is relaxing. Are you not drinking the water? Okay, we're gonna let that spin. Yeah. Hello guys and welcome to Vlogmas Day 23. Happy Christmas Eve. Have you seen that Friends thing that today's the only day we can say Happy Christmas Eve. How is everybody? I'm actually just heading out. It's 7 p.m. I am heading out because I need to go and buy presents. So initially the plan was I'm supposed to go with Ivan to buy presents, and then I realized like, oh my gosh, I've not bought him a present yet. No, why is my lip so dry? I've not bought him a present yet, so I thought, never mind, I'll just take like a solo thing, go to Mid Valley, go buy some stuff. I have like a list of people that I need to buy for. No, actually no, correction. I need to do a list of people that I need to buy for. Librosha. Yep, I need to do the list of people, but I think today I'm going to buy the main people's one, especially my mother-in-law. My mother's one tomorrow because the one I need to go to Pavilion. I know what I want to get her. I want to get my mom a perfume from Celine. Hers finished and she's always been talking about this perfume, so we're going to go and get that tomorrow. For today, mainly Ivan, my mother-in-law, something for Nisha Nane, for my Perima. I'm trying, my brain is like circling. I'm trying to see who else, and just a couple of other people that I'm gonna go and get for. So shopping presents with me, kind of an evening, and then we come back and then we can wrap the presents, put more presents underneath the tree and stuff like that. Okay, first stop, we are in Body Shop and I found some sets, so I think I'm going to get something from Ivan for here. Ivan, Nisha Nane, my mother-in-law and my Perima, because they have like really nice sets. Let me show you this. Yeah, it's like super, like you have like one body wash and one mist for like 179. So I think it's like super cute, but there's so many sets, guys. So I think I'm going to take 2 sets of this, and then let me show you. And this British Rose set, I think it looks super cute. Okay, thank you. Oh yes, we're at the end of the vlog. That's it for day 23. Once again, as I was editing this, I know like, oh my god, everything is so short, it's so choppy, it's a bit all over the place, but I just wanted to put it in because these are the moments that actually happen before like Christmas Eve, and I just keeping it here for memory's sake, and I genuinely hope that you're okay with it. But 24 and 25 will be much more better. I will try to upload 24 by the end of tonight, or if not tomorrow morning. I just want to thank you for being like super patient with me this entire month. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you very soon for another video. Okay, bye.